Clear information, Echo 2054 Zulu, wind 230 at 11, gust 17. Visibility 10, feeling 4,700 broken, 6,500 broken. Temperature 26, 2.17, October 29er57.
And Citation 1 Delta Alpha, traffic midfield and left turn to the southeast is a Cherokee, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 26 left, let's go 561 Delta.
Citation 1 Delta Alpha, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure. Thank you.
Tower, Commerce Pink 1, visual 26 left.
Commerce Pink 1, Spirit Tower, left downwind, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 26 left, clear to land 26 left, Commerce Pink 1.
Right Alpha 8, straight into the ramp, ground 0.7 for clearance. 0 Papa Tango, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 960 Pop Tango.
Control crash information, Foxtrot current altitude 2957. Wind 26015, gust 21. Citation 0 Papa Tango, contact St. Louis departure.
Good day, 0 Pop Tango. Tower, Commerce Pink 1, ready for departure, runway 26 left.
And Commerce Pink 1, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, Commerce Pink 1.
Commerce Bank 1, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, Commerce Pink 1, have a good evening.
Charlie Pop will be ready at the end at 26 left.
And Falcon 504, Charlie Pop, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, 504 Charlie Pop.
for Charlie Pop, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, talk to you in a bit, for Charlie Pop.
63 with you on visual 26 left, blue ramp.
And jet speed 163, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, quarter lane.
And 26 left, jet speed 163.
Jet speed 163, blue lamp taxi to be Alpha, you can make this frequency.
Twin Tecnam 739 Tango Alpha, with you on approach for runway 26 left, Twin Tecnam 739 Tango Alpha.
And Twin Tecnam 739 Tango Alpha, Spirit Tower, how the approach terminate?
I'd like to do touch and go for Tecnam 739 Tango Alpha.
And Twin Tecnam 90 Tango Alpha, runway 26 left, clear touch and go. On the go, left turn southbound, maintain VFR.
Go, maintain VFR, left turn southbound, Tecnam 739 Tango Alpha, clear for runway 26 left.
Tower 739 Alpha, can we get a text back to the runway?
And 7 Tango Alpha, correction 9 Tango Alpha, roger, right turn at Alpha 6, runway 26 left, taxi via.
At Alpha 6, runway 26 left, via Alpha.
And Tecnam 90 Tango Alpha, go ahead and keep your present squawk.
Present squawk for 90 Alpha.
And Coyote 975, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, let's take off.
Ready, runway heading off of, I'm sorry, runway heading clear for takeoff 26 left, Coyote 975.
Coyote 975, contact St. Louis departure.
Departure, Coyote 975.
And Spirit Tower, Twin Tecnam 739 Tango Alpha, running short of 26 left at Alpha 1. Ready for departure. Can we just get a turnout and go land on the right side?
And 90 Tango Alpha, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading and 26 left, clear for takeoff for 90 Tango Alpha.
Tango Alpha, you can make right close traffic for runway 26 right.
Right close traffic for runway 26 right, 9 Tango Alpha.
And 9 Tango Alpha, will this be a full stop back to the ramp?
Full stop back to the ramp for 9 Tango Alpha.
Spirit Tower, Citation 579 or November Charlie, we're with you inbound with Foxtrot VFR for 26 left.
Citation 579 in November Charlie, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, number
9 November Charlie, wind 260 at 15, gust 23.
bad, number Charlie.
9 November Charlie, there will be multiple surface in the pattern, north side, no factor for you.
And number Charlie.
All aircraft information, Gulf is current, altimeter 2958. November Charlie, stay parking.
Zero Charter, number Charlie.
November Charlie, roger. Make the right turn, taxi straight in with me.
Staying with you, going to ramp, number Charlie, have a good night.